What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into the video, can I please request every single watcher, viewer, supporter, passenger, everyone that's with me watching right now, please like, comment, share, subscribe. All of those on every video, man. Not just one, just always just thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Come on, people, let's build this up. Let's get over 3,000 subscribers. Let's make this channel bigger. Let's do it together. As always, shout out to everyone who's watching first. There is a whole bunch of people who do watch straight away. I think there's about 30-40 of you lot just watch straight away, like within 24 hours. And then obviously there's quite a lot of people who return and watch a lot of videos, so shout out everyone. Let's just get into this video now. So this pair, I actually bought so randomly. I had no intention of buying them, but I got them cheap, below retail. So I thought, why not? Let's just get into it, man. So it's a different box to the box that we always see. The Nike Sportswear red and white box. This is a black and red box. Everyone knows what these are, or you should know what these boxes are for. I think this is my first Jordan pickup of this year. I don't think I've bought any this year, I actually cannot remember buying a pair. Normally I don't even bother entering sneakers or raffles or anything, and I don't pay resale. But these were under retail, so I had to. So that good old box. Let's get into it, man. So Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, black mystic navy dash white. That's 10.5 USA, 9.5 UK, centimeters 28.5, BR 42.5. and Europe 44.5, made in China, and the style code for these is CZ0790041. Oops, I better not knock the thing over. This box, the lid should be like this, to be honest, but yeah, let's get into it, people. Throw that lid over there. So you can actually store them like this, so I just left them like that in the box. Air Jordan 1 Retro Low. The reason I got these, one, I hate lows that are not the retro lows. So any low that I do ever buy will have to be a retro low, otherwise I'm not buying them. I'm not a fan of most lows, to be honest. Twos are okay. Fives, I've had one pair. Sixes, I've never bought, but they're okay. Sevens, I don't think they have. Eights, no. Nines, I don't think they've done them. Tens are kind of low anyway. 11 lows are decent. 12 lows, nope, not wearing those. 13 lows, definitely not wearing those. But yeah, so it's either probably these, the fives, the sixes, that are the decent ones. But I just thought, under retail, and a lot under retail. This pair, retail I believe was 130 or 135. I've got these for like 40 quid under retail, so £90. That's a bargain, to be honest, for a fresh pair. A pair that you can wear with quite a lot of things. Let's just quickly go through the colors and all the details. So we've got that sole in the blue, full blue, midsole white, very clean white, Colgate white. Shout out Colgate, even though they're not paying me. Then it's got the around the toe black, and it's a smooth leather. I'm not sure about the quality or if it's premium or not, but it's quite a smooth leather. I really like it. Then the upper as well, it's got that same leather in black, even on the lace part. The swoosh is in that blue. Then the toe is also in that blue. The heel, it's got that Air Jordan, the wings logo in black, and then the rest of it is the blue. Same thing here. Then we've got the Nike Air on the tongue, standard black laces, and then inside the shoe, it's Nike Air. Very simple, very plain, you know, standard classic design. One thing I don't like is white insoles. I'm not sure why they did that. I'm not sure why. It could have just been a black insole, to be honest. That's just much better. You know, white insoles I'm just not a fan of. But yeah, very clean shoe. Obviously the other pair does come with the blue laces. I'm not going to put the blue laces on. I think they look perfectly fine how they are. Yeah, so under retail, had to purchase it. It's a no-brainer basically. Resale, nope, not paying that at all for these. Under retail, you know, I could always give a trainer a go, a sneaker a go. In terms of sizing, I went for 9.5, which is my regular Jordan size, my dunk size. You know, they fit decent. I don't really like the fit of the lows as much as I like, you know, the mids or the highs. I think they fit quite a lot better. These just probably going to take some getting used to. In terms of outfits and stuff, I've got quite a few outfits, you know, with the black jeans and stuff that will go with this. But we'll see. Definitely, you could even wear these in the summer. Obviously, you know, wearing black is not really summer, but you know, some people like wearing black in the summer. I don't mind. I'll wear these with a few different outfits and they'll be quite nice and summery. But yeah, people, man, tell me if you like these. Tell me if you hate them. Tell me if you rate them. Tell me if you've got them. You know, just give me some comments, give me some feedback. Would you buy these? If you want them, if you don't want them. I can definitely say for sure, if you do want them, you'll probably be able to find these under retail. If not now, then definitely sometime soon. I do believe that they are on Sneakers app as well. There's quite a few sizes. So definitely not hyped, well, in the UK, which I'm happy about, man. I don't like hyped shoes, hyped trainers. But yeah, let me know, people, and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's talk sneakers in the comments. And yeah, as always, there is a on foot video to follow. Just wait a few seconds and it will come up. You'll have a view of that. Make sure to check out all of the other videos. Click on that bell icon so you get notifications for all the other videos. Most importantly, take care, people.